It is snowing outside. Well, now it's a wintry mix. We just got 2 to 3 inches this morning in a couple hours. And now it's mixed, a little sleet, a little bit of frozen rain, which I guess all snow and sleet is frozen rain. Anyways, and shooting this video to walk in the woods, listen to this noise. Probably just sounds like static to you, but imagine a million frozen little BBs hitting all those dead leaves and all the stuff that's in the woods right now, bouncing around with a crow cawing in the background, making it feel all creepy. Beautiful day. So shooting this video to share with family and friends, but really this is from my friend Austin. This is the new phone. I'm on 4K, 60 frames per second, iPhone audio. And we'll see what it looks like blown up on a big screen. And also depends when I upload it to YouTube, it will play it in different resolutions based on your personal bandwidth. So part of this Food Cyclist YouTube channel is low risk experimentation with my video styles and equipment, where I can get it up, I can get it out, and get some feedback on it before publishing to a channel like Farm Marketing Solutions, which has a bigger audience and actual business objectives. The fun thing about this Food Cyclist YouTube channel, now I'm just chatty, is that it has been able to get me past my writer's block with creating content, because these conversations that we have no risk, because success is one view on this channel. I'm making this video for Austin, but my aunt will watch it, my parents will watch it, maybe an uncle or two, Judy, and they'll get some joy out of it too. Today's a fun day for me. I took audio from one of my Farm Marketing Solutions videos and I published it as a podcast. My last podcast was from the spring of 2022. It is February 2025. So a bit of a break there. And thinking about how I've been publishing content lately, adding that podcast in, I was like, what would happen if I just exported the file as audio? How fast could I get a podcast up? And the answer is it takes like 30 seconds. You got to start with a decent content to begin with, and that's the harder part. But from a publishing standpoint and syndication, super easy to publish a podcast. So that'll come back this year without added effort. There's even a world where that effort gets outsourced, but that's for a decision for another day. It's one of my favorite spots in the woods. It's got that big white birch tree, this big ash tree. It is the furthest away from all the houses and the stuff, and feels the most private and connected to nature. And I get to walk my dog and come out here, stare up at the trees, watch the weather, and think about all the things there are to think about. Or sometimes not think about anything at all. Troy would say, sometimes I sits and thinks, and sometimes I just sits. Zip. Come on. Maybe we'll continue on our dog walk. He's onto something out there. And bid you a fond farewell for this morning. So Austin, I hope you liked the video test. I hope if you're watching this, you have an amazing day. Thank you for allowing me to ramble nonsensically. And I'll talk to you all soon.